Hello everyone, welcome to Bright Mind Chess Course Level 1. My name is Adrian Winter Atwell and I will be guiding you on working with this book. Okay, this is a practical book dedicated for beginners, children and adults, but this part is mainly to help the children that do not understand the instructions. With this video, a child will be able to go through the book, okay, at home and work through all of the exercises. I will be explaining every part of the book and then the exercise will come after for the children to do each one of the practices that are in the book. Today we're going to start with the chessboard, which is the first part of the book. So let's learn about this topic and then we're going to solve the exercises regarding this topic. So let's go one time to the part of the chessboard. So on the chessboard, we have files, we have ranks, and we have diagonals, okay? And of course, we have also squares. So let's go through these things. Okay, so ranks are the squares that go across, okay? So, and the ranks will go according to the numbers. For example, this here will be the first rank. The other one will be the second rank. And this will be the third rank, fourth rank, fifth rank, sixth rank, seventh rank, and eighth rank. So notice the ranks are the squares that go across, okay? Now, then we also have files, and the files are the squares that go up and down, and the files go according to the letters. So on the chessboard, we also have files. This one will be called the A file. This is the B file, C file, D file, and so on. So we have D file, E file, F file, G file, and H file. Sorry about the lines that are not very straight. So on the chessboard, we have files and we have ranks. Notice that they have name. Ranks go according to numbers, files go according to letters. We also have diagonals, okay? So the squares that are slanted are called diagonals. For example, this group of slanted square is called a diagonal. This one that you see here in the arrows, okay, those arrows are showing diagonals on the chessboard. Of course, each one of these little boxes, okay, each one of these little boxes are called squares, okay? So each one of these is a square. Okay, each one of those boxes is a square. So we have to be, making sure we know what we are talking about when we put the chessboard and we are ready to play. Remember, on the chessboard, we have files, ranks, diagonals, and squares. Let's go to the next page. Now, here you could see that we have some squares that have letters and numbers. Well, that will be the name of that square. The name of a square is the letter plus the number, all right? But in this case, we are always going to use common letters. For example, notice this square is called A8, letter 8, number 8. This one is called B8, letter B, number 8. This one is called C8, letter C, number 8. Notice all of these squares are on the 8th rank. So all of these will be 8 squares. Okay. Now let's name other ones. For example, this one here will be A1, letter A, number 1, A1. This one will be A2, letter A, number 2. This one will be A3, and so on. This practice, which is the first one in the book, we're going to go through it just now. Maria Eglis will come and work with you with this practice, okay? So have your pencil ready and we're going to start with that practice right away.
Hello, I am Maria Eglis and we are going to do the practice together. Let's start with practice number 1, which is about the squares. And it says, on the board above, practice writing the name of the other squares. First write the letter and then the number right next to it, okay? So we're going to start with the A file. So we're going to go up from 1 up. And this one is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, and A7. Okay, so these are the name of the squares on the A file. Now I will recommend for you to pause the video, try to do them by yourself, and then when you finish, you unpause the video to continue watching and see if you did it all right. Okay, now I guess you already pause your video and try to do it yourself and then unpause it. Now I will continue writing the answers and you will check to see if you did it right. So let's go to B5, to the B file, B1, B2, B3. And E7. Notice that I am reaching up to 7 only because the 8 rank is already done. So I'm just completing what is missing. Now F file, F1, F2, F3, F4. And H7. So those are the name of all the squares, and that is it for practice number 1. So now let's go to the next one, practice number 2. Practice time. Write the number of ranks that the chessboard has. Okay, it says above because on the book you have it above, but here you have it on the side. Okay, so let's count how many ranks we have. Remember, the ranks are the ones going across. So are the ones that go from one side to the other side. And remember, you could identify them by the numbers. So you have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. So if you count it, you will see that there are 8 ranks. Okay? Now, exercise number 2 on this practice is write the number of files that the chessboard has. Okay? Now, the files are identified by the letters, and if we count them, we will notice that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them as well. Okay? Now, exercise number 3. Draw a line on the board above showing, well, at the side in this case, the 2nd and 7th ranks. Okay? So, let's go for the second one, which is this one. Try to go as straight as we can. And then we go with the 7th, which is this one here. Let's see how straight this line could come out. Good. And exercise number 4 says, draw a line on the board showing the B file and the F file. So let's look for B first. Remember, files are the ones that go up and down. So here is the letter B. Let's go up, straight. Well, kind of. And then the F file. Let's see if this one could come out a little more straight. Let's go up. And that's it. So that will be B file and F file. And the last one is draw a line on the board showing 2 diagonals. Okay, we're going to show 2 diagonals. It could be any 2 diagonals. I will choose 2, but you could choose any other 2s. So I will choose this one here on number 4. That goes from 4 to the letter E. So remember, try to do it straight. If you want, you could use a ruler for you to guide yourself. And I will do another one, but in the other direction, okay? I will do a short one. This one here, from 7 to G. Okay, so there you have 2 diagonals. Now let's go to practice number 3. This is practice number 3. The number 1 says, draw a smiley face on the square C8. Let's see how this smiley face come out. We're going to look for C and go up to 8. And here we're going to draw the smiley face. Let's see. It could be with a circle. It could be just the eyes and mouth. I will do it like this. Sorry. Good. Smiley face. And then the next one says draw a smiley face, another smiley face on E4. Let's look for E. Go up to 4, and here we should have our next smiley face. No, I don't like that circle. Let's do just the eyes and mouth. Okay, E4 is this one. Eyes and mouth. It's a smiley face. Now let's go to the next one, which is B3, and we have to draw a smiley face as well. B3 is this one here. Let's draw a very smiley face. And now let's go to exercise 4, which says draw the letter X on the square H1. So this one here is H1, and we're going to draw an X. Next one says draw the letter X on the square B5. B up to 5, here it is, a letter X. And then we're going to go number 6 and then 7, and that will be it. Now, number 6 says draw the letter X on the square D5. Let's go to D, then we go up to 5, and it will be here. And the last one is the letter X as well, but on the square C4. Let's go for C and go up to 4 and draw our X here. Good. So that will be it. That is practice 3. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching till the end. And I'll expect you for the next one. Okay? Bye-bye.